Welcome to our channel where we bring you amazing tips and tricks to make your life easier. In today's video, we'll be sharing a simple and easy trick to keep your cookies warm all day. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. For this trick, you'll need a thermos, some freshly baked cookies, and some parchment paper. That's it. First, start by preheating your thermos by filling it with hot water and letting it sit for a few minutes. Then, pour out the water and dry the inside of the thermos with a towel. Next, freshly baked cookies and let them cool for a few minutes. Once they've cooled down a bit, wrap them individually in parchment paper. This will help keep the cookies and prevent them from sticking together. Now it's time to store the cookies in the thermos. Simply place the wrapped cookies inside the preheated thermos and close the lid tightly. Make sure there is no room for air to escape. Now that we've stored the cookies in the thermos, let's test how long they stay warm. We left these cookies in the thermos for 6 hours, and as you can see, they're still warm and delicious. And that's it. With this simple trick, you can keep your cookies warm and fresh all day. Whether you're packing them for lunch, a picnic, or a road trip, this trick will ensure that your cookies taste just as good as when they came out of the oven.